If you're a content creator, then you need to check out the Indoteam 1080p webcam. This little gem is packed with features that'll make your streams pop. With crystal clear 1080p resolution, every detail comes through sharp and smooth. No more blurry or pixelated videos. And the best part? It's super easy to set up. Just plug and play, no complicated software or drivers. You'll be up and running in seconds. But wait, there's more. It's got a built-in microphone so your voice will come through loud and clear. Perfect for those live chats and vlogs. Worried about lighting? This webcam performs beautifully in various lighting conditions, ensuring you look your best every time. And here's the kicker. All these premium features without the premium price. Upgrade your streaming without breaking the bank. So why wait? Grab your Indoteam 1080p webcam today and take your content to the next level. Happy streaming.